YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody because we're litty over here. Without further ado, I don't know if I showed this, but I had got this from the Expressway. And I thought it was so cute, and it does have the chain. I got the little heart. It says Tootie. That's my nickname my mama calls me. So cute. Alright, y'all. We got a few unboxings. Just came in fresh off the porch. What is this? Okay, wait. No, not that one. Checking the table. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is the big size of the shopper's bag. I have to show, well no, I can't show a smaller one, but oh, this is cute. I don't know if I can see it because it's so, it's like the shopper bag, because the other one is like this size, but this is the big one. Yo, this is cute. I don't, y'all see I got my hospital socks. Y'all see our niece right there. Look, y'all, you really can't see it. Like a big old shopper's tote. Let's see what this one is. Oh, and both of these, if this is the one I think it is, it's from the DH. I don't know what this one is. Wait, I don't know what this is. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I seen this. I had to get it. Because y'all know I'm a fur mommy. Hold up. So I told myself those were the two I really wanted, but I really wanted this one. Y'all. Baby. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Y'all, I'm obsessed. This bag is so cute. It reminds me of my little poo-poo. Gold hardware. And the inside is stuffed. Y'all, it don't look like I'm gonna be able to fill this up with a lot. But I would just want to carry this just for the cuteness of it. Put a cute little dog purse charm on here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I had to show y'all this. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I know I've been lacking on the what's in my purse, but I got y'all. Oh my goodness. I gotta puff this out. Probably gotta squish it a little bit. Y'all, see you guys on the next one. I'm on cloud 9. Bye.